Well, good day, folks, and here we are at Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood again today, and I'm just going to show you the snow we got from the snowstorm. That didn't really put a whole lot of snow down, but anyway. Yeah, so we're going to show you around here a little bit, and I'll go and get the tractor and we'll do some snow clearing. And I already done this clip earlier this morning. It's now about 2 in the afternoon. So I did this clip this morning. The same thing. Standing here talking to you and then going showing you the snow. Well, then of course I'm having trouble with the phone, so I started deleting a bunch of stuff. And guess what? I deleted the 2 clips that I had already done this morning. Well, that's typical for me. All right, I'll get back to you in a minute here. I'll show you around what snow we got. Now, I did do some shoveling, of course. We were out into town this morning, so. But you can get an idea, I guess. All right, so right here at the step is the deepest, sort of the deepest spot, I guess. About a foot deep here. And so, like I say, I had shoveled that out this morning. We were out and about this morning, so. But that part of the driveway didn't get any snow. A little bit of snow here. It's still kind of windy out. Anyhow, I gotta get to the garage and maybe get the tractor out. And maybe not. Oh yeah, well there's a little bit here. There might be 2 or 3 inches in places, and some little drifts there might be 9 to 10 inches or so. But the wind was nasty last night, and today is still nasty. So if we hadn't got a whole lot of snow, we would have been covered, that's for sure. But it didn't amount to a whole lot. So like you say, or see, you can see bare spots because where the wind was going, it was just a goner. All right, I'll get in here, stop rambling, and I gotta get the fire on and all that kind of stuff. So I'll get back to you in a minute. And today's fire starter is brought to you by K&L Firewood. Thanks for the nice hat, Mike. And the stickers. And this paper right here is what came in the shipping box. So our fire starting today is brought to you by K&L Firewood. Great channel to go and watch. Mike's a great fellow to listen to. Thanks a lot, Mike. And the tractor of choice today for removing this snow will be the 1975 Case 224. Snow thrower on it. And it has no power chute deflector on it, so today could be quite a challenge with the wind that is going on, so they have to run her at a lower speed to keep the snow from blowing back on me, because it is an open station type of tractor, and that's the way that one is. And then that one there, you see, is Dave's favorite tractor. Dave at RCAF Polar Express. Just loves that cab tractor. All right, we'll check the oil and the gas in this machine, and we'll get going here. I'll probably just have you set up in the garage here today, because there's nothing out the other end of the driveway to do really, so it'll just be a few passes back and forth here. Anyway, we'll get back to you here in a little bit. It'll take me about 15 minutes to get ready, and it'll only be about a second or so for you. All right, I kind of forgot to do the weather there. I better do that, I guess. I even forgot to do that yesterday for the Sunday afternoon fireside chat. So here we have -3 today, -3 Celsius, and 27 degrees Fahrenheit. And we have wind gusts at 27 miles an hour north or west northwest. So it's kind of breezy out. So it's going to be a short snow removal system here today, I think. Anyway, say -1 for today in flurries. And Tuesday is 30% chance of flurries. And Wednesday is periods of snow. And then Thursday is flurries. And Friday is 60% chance of flurries. And Saturday and Sunday is just cloudy with -2 and -4. So temperatures are just hovering around the freezing mark here this week. But that right there, periods of snow on Wednesday could be a sneak attack storm. But right now they're just saying 5 centimeters. So Tuesday is 1 to 3 centimeters. So winter is kind of back here at the moment for now. And there we go. I guess that's all I got to say about that. I thought I had something else to say, but maybe I didn't. All right, I'll get back to you in a minute here. Just a little bit more on the case here. This will be its first time removing snow in 2 years. Last year I didn't use it, so we did a little bit of work to the snow thrower there this year. Got her cleaned up and put the clear paint to it, so that should help things slide better. I can't remember what else I did to it. I think I greased up some bearings or something in it, but I'm not sure what I did. Did a little bit of work to it anyway. So she should be ready to go, and I expect it to work fine, but you never know. All right, so I got the fire going. I don't know if you can see the fire going down there on the door. So I'm going to get things fired up here, and I'll get back to you. All right, we got her warming up here now, and I'll go ahead and do a little bit of clearing here. There now. Be quick work of that. But it's covered in snow. It just depends on the way the wind is blowing a lot of the times. And the wind is, if I can kind of show the direction, that's that north or west northwest direction, which standing here would be kind of pointing towards coming from that direction, but it's kind of pointing right there, kind of coming across like that. So it's the best way to blow the snow. Mostly that's the way the direction goes here. So, but like you say, you get up around by the house up there, it just kind of swirls around in a circle. And when you get close to the building here, or when you go around the corner at the end of the garage here, you just never know what's going to get dumped on you. That's for sure. So that's going to be that. I got some to do up by the door on the house, and maybe a little bit over there, and a wee little bit over by the propane tank, but not a whole lot. So I think that's going to do it for today. For you, hopefully like the video of the Case 224 1975 with a snow thrower. One thing I still have to do is lift up my crank for this chute, so that I don't have to lean over as far to get it. So I have something I think figured out for that, but someday I'll get to it, I guess. Another winter project. Alright, have a great day wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. And we might have more snow clearing this week, but we might not. It's just hard to say. Alright, goodbye now. Well, of course I had to come back. I thought of something. Remember how I said about idling down your tractor helps with getting the snow all over the top of you? Well, it does, but if you forget to idle down the tractor, then you get covered in snow. But it does work. You just have to idle her down. Now, I went around the side of the garage there. I don't know if he's heard or not, but she quit, because I had her down a little too low. But when I got her going again and had her idle down, went right through that snowbank with no trouble, and I didn't get any snow on me. So they will work on lower RPM. There's no problem for them to move snow. It's just and it doesn't matter what tractor. It's just you just have to have enough to make it keep running, but it certainly keeps the snow from going up as high and the wind catching it and pulling it around back on top of you. It does work. Now I've got another little thing to show you here. It's kind of not related to snow removal other than trying to keep warm, I suppose, but the pile of wood down there almost gone. I'd say by the end of tomorrow or Wednesday that'll be gone, and then I will take this slab wood and throw it in there and then readjust my fan to put air onto it and kind of flip them things over and put the underneath ones. Well, of course, you take the top ones to put them in first. That would mean that the ones that are underneath that didn't get much air will then be on the top. So that'll help dry them out. All right, so that's going to be it for now, I guess. Hopefully that'll be all my rambling for today. All right, have a good day wherever you're at and whatever you're doing. Goodbye.